Do you often find yourself listening to people's emotional distress, whether at work or home? Transform your ability to support others with our Accidental Counsellor workshops, where you'll learn to manage the emotional impact on yourself of hearing stories of pain and trauma, how to provide effective, informed referrals while maintaining good boundaries to support mental well-being, and to hone your listening skills to create genuine connections and understanding others more empathetically. Empower individuals toward positive solutions by applying a solution-focused, strengths-based language approach. Join our Accidental Counsellor workshops online and in a city near you, where you'll learn practical skills to provide compassionate support. Whether you're a professional, volunteer, or someone who cares, these skills are for you. Visit accidentalcounsellor.com to find out more.